First up this evening, a developing story. The People's National Party candidate for Southeast St. Mary by-election, Dr. Shane Alexis, is expected to apply for citizenship as a furor continues over the fact that he's not a Jamaican citizen but seeking to serve in Gordon House.
A Commonwealth citizen can serve in the Jamaican Parliament. It's legal. But Dr. Alexis' citizenship status as a Canadian has in recent days dominated discussions on the Jamaica Labour Party's campaign trail, with party supporters questioning his commitment to Jamaica. Meanwhile, the PNP has insisted the issue is a distraction from the real issue.
The PNP candidate was a guest on RJR's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller. Plus, what are the constituents saying? TVJ's Janella Pursues has this primetime news follow-up.
It's mid-morning Wednesday in Onoto Bay, St. Mary. Nothing much happening in the town except for what appears to be a sound clash. On one side, the JLP. On the other, the PNP. In hushed tones, supporters from the two political parties have been discussing the furore over the citizenship status of PNP candidate Dr. Shane Alexis. Those who spoke candidly on the matter had lots to say. Like the party leadership, PNP constituents felt that the issue was much ado about nothing.
Member say, Mr. Siago never born here, and the whole Jamaica accept him. So, if Jamaica look into what I go on, them say Mr. Shane is the right person for Southeast St. Mary. But Labour have an issue because them say losing straight on them face.
JLP supporters felt differently.
You can't win Mr. Dunn, yeah? Never. Because we not going to vote for him. Because maybe he win and run away. And we don't know him. We know Mr. Dunn. So we can't give a vote Mr. Alexis. Sorry.
In a statement Wednesday, the People's National Party outlined that its candidate, Dr. Alexis, will formalize his Jamaican citizenship, this while maintaining that he was duly nominated in keeping with the provisions required by the Constitution of Jamaica. Documents have also surfaced showing the 1987 letter granting him permanent residency as well as voter's ID from 2008. So why didn't he begin the process sooner? That question was put to Dr. Alexis, who was a guest on RJR's Beyond the Headlines with Dion Jackson Miller Tuesday.
When you spend, as you know, a lot of time working in the hospital, and as busy as I've been over the years, it's very difficult to take the day off from government service to stand up in a line, waiting on different documents and going through different procedures. So it's a process that takes a while, and I have no objection. But the point is that as a Commonwealth citizen, I am properly nominated to sit in the Parliament of Jamaica. And I think that's ultimately what is required at this point.
It's on that point the Jamaica Labour Party has taken issue.
He now is requesting the people of Southeast St. Mary to stand up in a line to vote for him on October 30th, when he was not prepared to do the same to become a naturalized Jamaican citizenship.
But for the PNP candidate, he doesn't believe the issue of citizenship will affect his chances at the polls.
At the end of the day, what I've focused on is representing a constituency. It's not, the immigration status is within the law, which is fine. If it makes constituents more comfortable to change my immigration status, as I said, I'm married to a Jamaican. So it is a pretty straightforward process to apply.
News also surfaced Wednesday that Dr. Alexis was also the holder of a Grenadian passport. Our news center has been informed that it expired and was not renewed. Janella Pursues, TVJ News.